Hello, this is Vaho with Mooji Trucks. Today I wanted to show you this 2014 Subaru Forester with 5,000 miles. And no problems, no accidents. It's a clean title. It's a Californian car, so no rust. We did clean it, but it's still something in here. They have to come and remove those. You can see. So I will show you more details, what it has. Some scratches here. This one. So it's not hitting. Here. It has good tires. Still some stains here, and they have to come tomorrow or today to remove it and clean it again. So I showed you this one already here. What else? Yeah, I think this is from a son. It's still a long time, and you can see something, but it's not a big deal, of course. So what else? Okay, let's see the under the car. I will show you from all the sides. Here. As you can see, there are no rust. And it has only 55,000 miles, so I am trying to show you as much as I can. Everything. Okay, let's go to the inside of the car. Okay. It's clean. Everything is good here. This side. 55,000 miles. This is the light for tire pressure. I have to tighten it. Here, everything is clean. You can see here. It seems they are not used the rear seat. It's so clean. Everything is there. I want to show you how it looks. You see? I think it's it. I tried to show you everything. So ask me if you have any questions. Thank you.